Hey everyone, it's Irene, the cosplay counselor. I'm here filming in beautiful San Diego, California because I'm here for an educator's tour to learn more about the Marines. Now, if you're curious to see what day one looked like, and it was pretty intense, I'll go ahead and leave a link up here. But if you want to see what day two looks like and how it all rolled out, then keep watching. So it's day two of the educators training for the Marine Corps, and I'm still exhausted from yesterday. The obstacle course was no joke. My entire body is just sore, and that was just a snapshot of what they actually go through on a regular basis. But today we're going to go to Camp Pendleton and go hopefully shoot some rifles and I guess see some other cool things with their facilities. So if you're curious to see what it's all about, then stay tuned. So we entered Camp Pendleton, which is basically a city within a city. You can see lots of buildings. We're inside the facilities right now, so we're gonna go and
video
send to one of my educators, and we're just checking out the area. Oh, okay, you can see it looks like some people are training, and maybe that's hopefully what we'll get to do a little bit. Let's go shoot some guns. Pew, 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 pew.
Let's go, we ain't got all day. Aye, aye, sir.
Aye, sir.
Aye, sir.
Honor, courage, commitment. Honor, courage, commitment.
We'll go to the head, they'll come back, and then they'll transfer again in that same manner.
We can actually shoot like the simulated version of our rifles. And then
Straight to the RC. Just like that.
Come on, sir.
E1 in the Marine Corps.
E1 the Marine Corps.
We'll have ear pro and eye pro on at all times. It will be provided for you. If you guys have prescription lenses, feel free to keep those on because I'd rather you see the target than not be able to see.
Oh, got it. This is the other chow hall at Camp Pendleton. So we're gonna go grab our trays and get ready to eat some chow because I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry, I'm
Yeah.
starving.
Let's go, grab your stuff, let's go. Get information. Aye, aye, sir.
Yes, sir!
And they will accomplish it as a team together, whether it's 4, whether it's 8 of them, or whether it's whole squad of 12.
Obstacle courses are we doing?
5 and 6, and we'll just rotate clockwise. Hey, instructors. Hey, we'll just keep rotating through to 7, and then we'll come back from 7 to 1 and rotate through.
Man across the security drum. He has been wounded by sniper fire. Mission: on order, cross the bridge and retrieve the casualty.
To bring her and the drum back over here without touching the ground.
Honestly, that stack of stuff they got it.
That has to, garbage has to come back too?
First time I've ever seen that.
She's got it.
Don't let go, grab her, get her, get her. Get her.
So that's the end of my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. For more information, please check out my website, cosplaycounselor.com. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos, and go ahead and leave me a like so I know that you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!